AskReddit has hit 25 million subscribers. Insert party parrots here.
Starbuck was a famous Canadian bull, whose genome was so desirable that his sperm sold for $25 million during his life, and he has more than 200,000 daughters. The population of Australia is listed as 24,898,152 by the UN in 2019. So there are more AskRedditors than Australians.
There are, on a standard, 3x3 Rubik's Cube, 43,252,3,274,489,856,000 possible combinations, or 43.2 quintillion. Every single combination is different from the last, only one is solved. Edit. Thanks for the silver award, good sir.
If I had 25 million euros, I would still be here, but with a better screen.
To the bar, everyone. The first 25 million beers are on me.
More so small, but there's a 1,100,000,000,000,000,000 chance of having your doppelganger with all 8 of your distinctive facial features walking around on Earth. Only a 1/135 chance that a complete pair of doppelgangers exists somewhere in the world.
25 million and I still can't get my questions to hot.
What would be included in a premium version of Sleep?
Snooze allows you to sleep 5 more minutes, which feel like 7 more hours. No more ads.
Sleep as soon as you go to bed, don't wake up until you want to.
Same sleep quality in half the time.
Fall asleep instantly and actually feel fully recovered.
I've already QA'd this and I'm a professional. Here are some useful features. Snoring on/off, dreaming on/off, lucidity on/off, body temperature slider, sleeping location, waking location, duration slider. Choose your own dreams and always remember them. Complete, instant control over your asleep/awake status. Extra sleep minutes from one night rollover to the next. No sweating. Multiplayer dreams with other premium users.
Baby boomers, what issues existed when you were young that made you think your elders were idiots?
Getting involved in the Vietnam War.
The Vietnam War. Watergate. The gas crunch and economic downturn of the 70s. Mutually assured destruction. The ozone hole above Antarctica. Smog alerts. DDT. Edit, boomer, here. M58.
Segregation, Vietnam, the Cuban Missile Crisis.
Gen Z, what are some trends, ideologies, social things, etc. that millennials did, that you're not going to continue?
Weird ass eyebrows.
Are people grouping Gen X and baby boomers on purpose, or do they not realize there's a difference?
Impact font memes and saying only 90s kids remember this are high on the list.
Hipster food is too damn expensive, like why pay $50 for a deconstructed salad when you can go all Peter Rabbit and nab some goods from the local garden? Edit, THX for enjoying my dumbass joke.
100k of student debt for an art degree. THX for the silver. To clarify, I'm not 100k in debt. I learned from my elders.
Your username is now your pet. How will you care for it? And lastly, how effed are you?
Just a little oil now and then and we're fine.
I mean, on the bright side, at least I don't have to care for it any longer.
Oh no.
What pet?
I think I'm pretty fucked.
Oh no.
You get to captain a pirate ship but have to name your ship after your biggest regret. What are you calling your vessel?
SS having a year-long relationship with my boss. SS breakup too late.
Hoist the mainsail, cause here is the missed opportunities that led to an overwhelming loneliness and a poor decaying social life.
Appropriately enough, the unregistered vehicle.
SS why did I let my older sister perm my hair the summer before freshman year of high school?
The SS forgot to lock the bathroom door while having a wank at grandma's.
All aboard the HMS Benzodiazepine.
Trump voters that are now not supporting him. What was the last straw?
Him bad-mouthing General Mattis.
Pardoning Joe Arpaio. August 27, 2017. That was what I considered the first major violation when a president shouldn't be using his power like that for me, and that's when I started to take a closer look to see who Trump actually was.
In 5 minutes, a man is going to break into your house with the intent to kill you. You cannot exit your house. What is your survival strategy?
Continue wanking and try to finish before I finally die.
Joke's on him, I'm homeless.
Flautist here. Ever hear of an instrument known as a piccolo? No man ever survives it if it is used correctly.
I explained to him that legally he can't do that. I bet my wood-cutting tools are longer than whatever blade he's bringing. Unless it's an axe. Then axe fight, I guess. Edit, does he have a layout of the place? If not, I'm totally using that one super weird angled 1/4 wall thing to my advantage.
Thank him profusely, and offer him tea. Apologize for any inconvenience that killing me may cause him.
Good thing I got a twin.
You've been kidnapped, but the kidnapper allows you to post to social media to pretend everything is alright. What do you post that would alarm your followers without the kidnappers knowing you are asking for help?
One time I posted the Mad World music video after watching Donnie Darko and proceeded to get call after call from concerned friends and family. I'd probably try that again.
I'd probably just come out as gay and wait for the full force of my extended family to be at my door in a day's time.
My mom flew me out to Florida for my break. She's the sweetest. My mom is not alive, nor do we have enough money to go to Florida.
Change my status to in a relationship.
My husband and I have a code phrase for this occasion, peanut monopoly. How you work that in conversation, I have no idea, but I know if one of us heard it from the other we would know they were in trouble.
Status update. Imagine being held captive, and the only hope of rescue is sending a coded message. Hey guys, if you haven't seen me around, it's cause me and my non-existent girlfriend randomly decided to go on vacation. I haven't been kidnapped or anything, don't worry lol.
What did a kid in your school do to get expelled?
Dude smuggled a wine bottle. How the teachers found out? Well, the brass knuckles he was carrying in the backpack broke the bottle and spilled wine in the middle of the classroom.
Deleted.
Some kid in my elementary school got expelled for dropping fireworks through mail slot in the school front door, blowing the glass out of it. Elementary school.
One girl I went to HS with stole some school letterhead and proceeded to make her own report cards all year. Super quiet girl. I had her pegged as the honor student type. I don't know if she got expelled, but I never saw her again.